A short meditation can change your mood, your day, and even your life. Sit back, settle in, and join me now. Start by taking a few deep breaths. Keep your eyes open or closed, and find a comfortable posture where you can sit still for several minutes without moving. Allow yourself to become aware of the life force running through your body and acknowledge that it is here to support your spiritual journey no matter what challenges come your way. Take a deep breath in and out, and in and out. Now bring to mind an image of yourself surrounded by a glowing green light, representing the energy of courage and perseverance. Feel this light fill you with strength and endurance as you remain focused on your goals, even in times of difficulty or uncertainty. Know that no matter how hard or discouraging the road may seem, you can endure because of the power within you. Affirm to yourself that whatever obstacles stand in your way, you will not give up. Breathe in and out. Acknowledge any feelings of fear or doubt that may arise, and replace them with a renewed sense of strength and determination. Feel the energy of courage radiating from within, calming your mind and reminding you to keep going no matter what life throws at you. Take a breath in and out. Allow yourself to stay in this state for as long as it feels right. Then slowly begin to open your eyes and become aware of the room when you are ready. Take a few more deep breaths before returning back to your day with a newfound sense of courage and perseverance.